Hi everyone, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Today, I want to answer a question that I got from one of our subscribers. And she was she had a very nice question. Basically her question, well, let me just read it to you. Okay, here we go. The second part of the email goes like this. I would love to learn very short and simple shines for social instances. I always have a hard time transitioning from one, going back for the followers, to the one, going to the front for leaders when doing my shines. Cheers. Joanna, thank you for the email. We're going to address this for you today. So let's look at the question. How do I transition from an on-one to an on-one shine? I believe that's meaning from, I'm always doing shines from a men's standpoint, but I'm a follower and I would like to transition to and do shines from there. So I want to break it down, make it very easy for you. Ladies start with their right foot because they're always right. Anyways, back to this. Ladies start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to take a Susie Q to make things simple. Simple shine, Susie Q. We're going to do it in men's timing first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now let's take that same Susie Q and apply it to your traditional ladies' time. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let me show you to you on the opposite side. Men's timing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now, women's timing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. As you can see, I'm going to, recommend in the beginning, start your ladies' shine if you're used to your left foot in starting your shines as you're moving forward on 5 for a follower. 1, 2, 3, and now do your shines. Susie Q, Susie Q, Susie Q, and back. Or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. No matter what the shine is, take a half count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or quick, slow. When you first do your shine. 1, 2, 3. Now start your shine as a follower. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now step back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I hope this explains the transition period. Let me know if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and comment below. Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.